Welcome to the KENO B2B purchasing platform. In order to register in our customer database, click on the Register link and fill out the registration form by providing your country of residence, company's NIP number, company's name, email address, telephone number, address, and scope of operation. Then you have to tick the option of agreeing to receive invoices digitally and click the Register icon. During the next stage, I'll show you how to log in to our B2B platform and what new features it has available. Upon registering our account on the B2B platform, we will receive a welcome email containing our password. As the login, we use our email address provided during the registration process. Then we enter the password received by email. The top part of the platform's main window contains the search bar, where we can search for desired products by index or by name. To its right, we will find information on our stock availability regarding photovoltaic modules, inverters, structures, heat pumps, and energy storage. To the left of the screen, there's a drop-down menu containing Quick Shopping, PV Configurator, Warranty Extension, The Offer, Online Tools, Downloadable Files, and Price Lists. First, let's focus on the Quick Shopping tab, which, as the name itself indicates, allows us to make a quick purchase. We can filter the products by category, subcategory, manufacturer, as well as sort by name, price, and availability. We can also view archived products. The icon on the right allows us to sort using more detailed criteria. Next to each product, we'll find the key information on it: price, depending on the number of items ordered, stock availability, divided into the local warehouse in Yavchitsa and the central warehouse in Glavica, weight, dimensions, customs tariff code, and other useful information. By using the star icon, we can add a product to our favorites, whereas under the Stack of Documents icon, we will find specifications, warranty conditions, and assembly methods. The next tab is PV Configurator, which will guide us through the subsequent elements as it helps us complete a full photovoltaic system. We start by choosing the modules. For example, we can choose the Longi manufacturer and one of their products. Next, we enter the desired amount, which will automatically calculate the value, weight, and power of the order for us. Just like with Quick Shopping, here we also are provided with the information on availability, documentation, and specifications. The next step is choosing the inverter. For example, let's choose one item of Fox S T4G3. By clicking on the green plus sign on the right, we can add an additional inverter. The red X sign, on the other hand, will remove our additional inverter. The configurator suggests choosing a power optimizer. In this particular case, I'll skip that. The third step is choosing the assembly structure. We choose our structures based on the roof type, structure type, and the modules picked earlier. Additionally, we may choose such accessories as black clamps, grounding washers, and cable mounts. Next, we choose the arrangements of modules on the roof based on the amount of required elements which will be calculated. We can increase that amount by adding more elements. Each change updates the information on the weight and power of the entire installation. By clicking Installation Preview, we can see the arrangement of our modules on the roof, which we can edit as we please. In the Electromobility tab, we can choose a carport and a car charger. In the next step, we can choose the connection switchboard. The configurator lets us choose between automatic selection, manual selection, or choosing individual components. The available options are PV switchboards, hybrid inverter switchboards, and fire safety switches. The suggested switchboards can be segregated based on AC or DC safeguards, number of chains, and MPPT trackers. Navigation around the Energy Storage and Additional Products tabs work the same as above. In summary, we can edit our order as we please, adding or removing individual elements. Once the order matches our expectations, we click Add to Cart. We can also modify our order within the cart. By clicking Generate Offer, we can download the offer in question. To accept the order, we click Order. In the delivery window, we choose the delivery method and fill out our telephone and address data. Let's go back to the description of main menu, where another tab is Warranty Extension, in which we can extend the warranty on individual inverters. In the Offer tab, we have an overview of products available in the KENO offer, whereas in the Online Tools tab, we find all of the tools from individual manufacturers for monitoring and registering the products. Another tab is Downloadable Files, in which we find a number of documents on the products from the KENO offer. The last tab is Price List, where we can download full price lists in XLS or PDF format. When we move on to the icons located in the upper right corner, we can see the star, which directs us to the list of products that we added to favorites. Next to it is a preview of our cart. The next icon is My Account, where we will find Offers, which is the list of offers generated by us, Orders, which is the details and documents from the completed orders, Documents related to our account, Serial numbers on the devices we bought, Account Settings, which is our data and notification preferences, and Contact to our sales representative and sales support. Thank you for your time, and I encourage you to use our KENO B2B platform.